The number, 579 cases. Mississippi just saw one of its worst whooping cough outbreaks in decades. Local doctors sounded alarms after the state loosened strict school vaccine rules. The rollback was pushed by allies of RFK Jr., and some even had close ties to his campaign. Their goal? Make opting out of childhood shots easier than ever. But the aftermath turned deadly. A baby died. For years, Mississippi led the nation in keeping kids vaccinated against diseases like whooping cough, until now. Now, worried parents and doctors ask, could this tragedy be just the beginning? If one fatality happened this fast, how many could be next? Subscribe NewsBlitz US for more breaking news.